Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW X3 M50 in Black Sapphire Metallic with the black interior. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW X3 M50. I've just hit unlock, so we got the headlights on and we got the kidney grille lit up. I'm going to do a lap all the way around. This is our first 2026 X3 M50 delivery, so just needed to get this shared by getting this footage for you today before the car gets delivered. So now that we've done our lap all the way around, let's take a closer look at all the details. So we got the classic Black Sapphire Metallic. We're just taking a look at the hood here, and you can see that black is a highly reflective surface. We can basically see the entire ceiling from the hood of this vehicle. Here's a body line coming down from the A-pillar, and it swoops in towards the kidney grille. And there's two lines here. In the center, we've got the rondelle. And this is the new kidney grille for the G45 X3 with the illuminating ability, and we do have these horizontal slats for the M50 model with the M badging on the driver's side, front facing camera with a little washer nozzle that comes out of there, and we've got your plate bracket on. You got your little chin down here at the bottom, and you can see there's some active grille shutters here as well as down here, and we also have some functional air vents going into the wheel wells. Let's take a look at these headlights. So they are the BMW LED Shadowline headlights with the double stacked L shapes. And if we get the pathway lighting on, you'll see that there's also the low beam here, some intricate lines in there as well, crisscross patterns, and we've got the stacked LEDs here as well. So front end design looks really nice. Now when we come around to the side here, you'll see that we have the 21-inch star spoke 1037M wheels in jet black burnish with the red M Sport brake. So I really like the way that that pops, and I like that it's got that 5-spoke design, so there's a lot of space there, so you can actually see the huge caliper in there. Look at that thing. And in Canada, we have the M badge on the fender. We also have the black M wing mirror. There's also an M welcome light carpet down here. It's a little bit hard to see because it's bright in here, but there it is. And we have the glass roof up top. We have the black roof rails here as well. And this is the side profile of the vehicle. And you'll notice that we also have the new flush integrated handles here with touch comfort access on the front. And the windows were tinted, so having that uniform dark color looks really good. We also have the Hofmeister kink here, new style antenna up top, and there's the rear 1037M wheel with the red caliper there. And we've got the spoiler on the back here, rear wiper arm, and let's get those tail lights on. So we do have the inverted and regular L shape stacked with the crisscross patterns on the side. BMW illuminates there as well. And then we've got these vertical reflectors at the widest parts of the back. Rear diffuser down here with the quad exhaust tips. And we've got the rondelle here, M50 badging, and backup cameras here. And you'll notice there's a little nozzle there as well to clean that. So since I'm back here, kick my foot underneath the middle of the car. So we'll get this to open up the hands-free way. And once this opens up, the cargo cover is here. There's a button on each side you can press that allows you to release it. So you'll notice it has orange when it's loose. And underneath here, there's a space where that can be stored. There's your tire inflator kit plus and wheel lock key and tow hook. And to put the cargo cover back in place, you just push it towards the front until you see no orange and you hear that sound. We have a 12-volt plug here, grocery bag hanger. There's a little netted area on this side, and we have a grocery bag hanger on that side, which can also be used to prop this up. And up top, we have a button to close, another one to close and lock, but we can certainly kick our foot underneath the middle of the car to have this close the hands-free way. Just like so. Fuel cap doors on the passenger side connected to the central locking system, so when the car is unlocked, you can press 9 o'clock, the door will open. We are looking for 93 octane BMW M recommend Shell V-Power. It's counterclockwise 1 click, there's a little spot here to put it, and when you're done, it's just clockwise 1 click, and you just shut the door. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and open that back door here. So once that opens up, we do have the manual sunshade in the rear. We have the new different colored door handle, Harman Kardon, window switch with some ambient light, some pockets down here. And over here on the shoulder, we do have the release lever to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We have an armrest in the center with some cup holders. And up here, there's a button you can press that allows the pass-through to come down, just like this. Right, and when I put that back up, the headrest height can also be adjusted. We've got the glass roof open up top, so that looks awesome having such a big opening. We have some accessory ports on the back of each front seat, so you can get a tablet holder or something like that, or a coat hanger. We have some pockets on the back of each front seat. There's your rear vents with the rear climate controls with 2 heated seats on the outer positions and 2 USB Type-C charging ports down there. And we need to get some rear mats, but there's also some vents down here as well. So let's shut this door and we'll open up the front passenger door next. So from the passenger side, it is a welcome light carpet down here, but again, it's pretty bright. Open up that back door. I've got the indigo ambient light going on inside. We've got Harman Kardon, vent, open, close, unlock, lock, window switch. This part is glossy now. Some pockets. Aluminum door sill, full power seat with lumbar, under the thigh extension, and headrest height is also manually adjusted, and forwards, backwards. We have some soft touch materials on the dash. We've got some stitching here as well. We have the curved display with xDrive operating system 9. Down here we've got some more vents. This is what we call the jewel box, so they've got the M jewel. Wireless charger is on the left there with a little vent there to cool your phone. 2 USB Type-C charging ports in your cup holders. We have the glass iDrive controller. There's your push start button, gear selector, volume wheel. And if I lift this up, there's a 12-volt plug inside of there. So let's shut this door and we'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, open that up. So, Harman Kardon sound system, ambient lighting, memory seats, new style door handle. So it's still plastic, but it's just a different color. I guess that makes it more premium. We've got the windows just tinted, but there is your controls there. Window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release. You can push that to open or pull and hold to close while the key's inside. There's your door pockets. Aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar and side bolster, and let's get a nice look at those seats once again. And we have the new flat bottom steering wheel. So we've got the M at 6 o'clock, M tricolor stitching all the way around, red marker at 12 o'clock, and we've got the paddle shifters with the red grips on the back. We've got signal stock, wiper stock over there with 1 click up for automatic, rain sensing wipers. We have your head up display over here. And this particular X3 has active cruise control with stop and go. And it also has all the self-parking things. We've got 3 buttons underneath the rearview mirror for the garage door opener. This one also has the interior camera. And up here we've got the visors that come down. When you open that, the light turns on, and you can pull the visor out and you can extend it out. And now that we've had a look at all this, down here We've got some pedals. Your hood release is underneath here, so it's 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift it up. And there it is, the beautiful B58 3-liter inline-6 twin-power turbo. We have 398 horsepower, 428 foot-pounds of torque. We have a positive battery terminal here. We have a negative battery terminal as this post. Washer fluid is underneath that blue cap. What a beast. We do also have these strut bars in black. And up top, BMW hoods have 2 latches, so that just means they both have to close at the same time. So, fingers on the rondelle. Don't put fingerprints on the paint, and literally send it down from about here. Perfect. So before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more lap all the way around. And I'm glad that there aren't too many changes. I think 2026 looks really good. So you get the Tire and Fitter Plus kit now. You get 1 physical key, the rest are digital, so you can make up to 10 digital keys and you can share them with others. And since we're back here, let's test out the remote engine start feature. So 1, 2, 3 on the lock button. And 1, 2, 3 again, so you can shut it off. So that's the cold start sound. So it doesn't have the ignition sound because it starts off with the mild hybrid, but it has the nice B58 grumble once it's on. So, how do you like this spec? I mean, you can't really go wrong. Black on black, B58, red calipers. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this spec. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW X3 M50 in Black Sapphire Metallic with the black interior. And it looks like we got some red calipers, and yeah, car's great spec. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.